better country people, how una dey? You're welcome to another episode of As E Dey Hot. So see fine woman wey I bring on your domot today, my people. Now the first female presidential aspirant for 2023 for Nigeria na im be that too, and her name na Khadijat Omobolanle Okunu Lamidi. My people, I hear this matter and it shake my body, reach my bum bum. In fact, I really wan give una the full gist of this particular young lady wey be 38 years old, and im come from the particular country wey dem dey call Agor Owo abi Agor Owo. Abeg no vex o, you know sometimes this Yoruba something be like one kind. But my people, the biography of this particular woman na say na Nigerian media personality and na chairman executive officer of Slice Media Solutions. My people, she be media personality as I talk, and she be daughter of former commissioner late Lateef Olufemi Okunu, senior advocate of Nigeria. So this woman na from inside money na im take come. And she be founder of Slice Media Solutions, a top advertising agency for Nigeria. My people, immediately wey I hear this talk, say the matter, say na January 3 na im declare to everyone say he wan, he don put himself down to become the female president of Nigeria. In fact, I start to roll out the drums. I feel happy, say at least somebody is coming out wey be fresh blood. We wan come to do something for this our country. I no talk say the old people na bad people o, but I feel say Nigeria don reach level wey at least fresh breath of air suppose come. Make we even try the younger ones, make we see how the thing go be. We don try different parties, e no do. Maybe the party dey be the problem. Maybe make we try the personality of the individual and make we see how far we go go. A lot of people don give so many comments concerning this woman, but I go give una just brief informate about in early life. Dem talk say dem born am for Lagos State along her siblings into a wealthy family wey get a legacy of public service. Dem born am into the family of Lateef Femi Okunu, senior advocate of Nigeria, and im be the president of Isale Eko Descendants Union and an elder statesman. For people wey understand or know about Yoruba politics for Lagos State, dem go know this particular person wey be Chief Lateef Okunu. Now, Khadijat mama na Arinola Omololu, and na businesswoman wey hail from Agor Owo pedigree. Now, for her, dem talk say im attend the University of Lagos Staff School and Childville School for Yaba for her primary education before im come comot for there finish come move to Atlantic Hall School for Maryland wey im do im secondary education. Now im come move to university to obtain her bachelor's degree for business administration for University of Bolton RAK campus for United Arab Emirates. Now, Khadija also had master's degree in strategic project management (SPM), and dem talk say im get that particular degree from Heriot-Watt University for Dubai. Dem talk say im come back to Lagos to do im mandatory NYSC service, and im serve for Lagos State Government School after im don read for Obodo Oyibo. Dem talk say after her NYSC, Khadija got her first job at age 16 for Lekki Motherless Babies Home, where they introduced her into community influencing. After a while, im come go work for Lagos State Signage and Advertisement Agency (LASA). E no pass that time, im come comot for there, venture into entrepreneurship and founded Slice Media Solutions, wey be an advertisement or advertising agency. She be member of APCON, wey be Advertising Practitioners Council of Nigeria, and she don feature as one of the 50 top most influential women for marketing and communication in Nigeria. My people, be like say this woman pedigree sef dey totori my body, because sometimes we don hear of so many people wey dey talk say they wan become president for 2023, and the first thing wey you go hear for their mouth be say, hey, I go beat this one pass down, I go beat this one, I go get more votes than this person and that person. But they no even open their mouth talk to us about what their background go dey be and how they even want to do something to help this our economy wey be like say e dey go down. Make I continue from the matter of this particular Khadijat. This woman na woman. Dem tok say Khadija dem know her for in philanthropic and gender balanced youth development advocacy, and dem tok say im don co-found some social impact initiative. For example, Water Relief Nigeria, Help Our Youth, To Better Nigeria project and Bridge the Gap project. In January 2022, wey be a few days ago, she officially declared her interest to run the office of the President of Nigeria in the forthcoming 2023 general elections. And im come disclose im interest for media conference for Nigeria, and she made it known say she wan go into that position majorly because she sees a better future in this country, Nigeria. Okunu further tok say im know say she get the power to bring the youth together, which go lead to unleashing great po ten tial in this country. My people, abeg see brain wey dey at work. Nigeria dey blessed. Im tok say her desire na to restore hope and make Nigeria work for all Nigerians, and that one be her motivation for showing interest in running for the seat of the presidency. Of a truth, a lot of people dey ask say this particular lady wey come out, how much money wey im get wey im wan take run this election? Im tok say im no bring out im network because im believe say that one no be the reason for her to contest to be the president. For her personal life, she dey happily married to Adesola Lamidi, who be financial analyst and risk management professional, and dem tok say both of dem don get married and dey get wonderful and God-fearing children. Concerning im papa, people wey know im papa know say na appoint im papa as leader of a federal government delegation to the Organization of African Union Consultative Committee on Nigeria Peace Talk to End Civil War in 1986, and in 1969 they appoint am for leader of Nigerian delegates to the OAU under ministerial conference. So im papa sef get a lot of good things wey e don do for Nigeria before, and that those good things, I think say he don bet for im pikin, and im pikin talk say he wan try im best to see wetin he go do to support this nation out of where e dey to a better place. Now the first question wey I ask be say a lot of people don come and they don go concerning this particular matter, say they wan become president. Wetin be this woman mission? And he write for im page, im website na kolnigeria.com. Make una go check am, make una go see wetin this woman write there. He say my mission be simple: to restore the dignity of our country Nigeria through people first leadership, inclusive government, and creating an environment for the creation of opportunity and redistribution. My people know this, redistribution of prosperity, thereby reigniting hope in the heart of the citizens. Chai, my people, my beautiful people, na mission I talk so. Now vision be say he wan break the vicious cycle of poverty and social isolation, and he wan restore hope for a better future. Khadija talk say im believe say every person get right to access opportunity in order to live and develop with dignity and to become an active and contributing member of our society. My people, abeg make una go our website. I go put am on top this particular my podcast. Make una go there, make una go listen or go read wetin this wonderful woman na im talk say the way wey you wan take reform Nigeria or transform Nigeria using people first. My people, I don't know what you think, or whatever you think, please put it in the comment section. But I believe say a fresh air of change go round our nation to bring about the particular change and transformation wey we need for this our country, so that we can have a better Nigeria that can compete favorably with any international organization or country. My people, now wetin I get for us the hot matter be this: our first female presidential aspirant for 2023, Madam Khadijat Omobolanle Okunu Lamidi. My people, whatever decision that we make, we must know say another 4 years of our life dey online if we no make the best decision, even at the period where we want change our leadership, so that we go get better leaders to give us correct reforms and policies to save our nation from complete catastrophe. My people,